Welcome everybody to another episode of Enforce Tac TV, here live from Hall 12 in Nuremberg, right from the booth of Enforce Tac TV. Together with me today is Marcel from Andrus Industries. Pardon me. Marcel, thank you for your time.
Yeah, thanks for hosting me here. So my name is Marcel Herbig. I'm a member of Andrus Industries, which is a Berlin-based company, Berlin, Germany. We are specialized in building the most innovative products in uncooled thermal devices. And yeah, I brought the new stuff with me today.
For those viewers who do not know your company, what does your company, as you mentioned, is specialized already, but what would you say, what is the most iconic product your company is known for?
The most iconic products is, well, the Tilo thermal image light optic. This is the very tiniest product, the tiniest thermal goggles in the world, like glasses. So it's very small, as you can see. It's very useful for a wide variety of applications. And you can install it on helmets, whatever. And we are also known for having produced and still producing the TigIR, which is our inline thermal device for ranges up to 3,000 meters and still being one of the shortest in its class.
So while talking about thermal optics and while your company is known for the Tilo, which is probably maybe the smallest piece of equipment in terms of thermal optics that I know of, all right, and now that the stuff has gotten a little bigger, but what I want to talk about is what is the latest product you're running and introducing here at Enforce Tac 22?
So I brought something with me which is called the Puma, the Precise Universal Modular Infrared, which is more or less the same length as the TigIR, like 11 centimeters, but it's much more flat, as you can see. So you are now able to use it together with a, let's say, Trigicon ACOG and use the RMR or other red dots on top. So this one, let me close that. You can see that your line of sight through the red dot is just above the housing of the Puma. But it's much more than that. It has a detection range of roughly 2,000 meters because of a wider field of view compared to the TigIR. And it's much more modular. You can install some aimpoint ACOG, for example, red dot directly on top of its surface.
Okay.
You can have two different ocular versions, the 0.5 versions for optics with bigger magnification, like the ACOG with its 4-time magnification, and we can install a optical magnification, which is absolutely new to the market. This lens, having a 2-time optical magnification, just doubles your range. So now you have a range of 4,000 meters.
Right, impressive, I might say.
It is.
So when we talk about the world of thermal optics, what is it that makes your company or that gives your company the edge over your competitors? Because as we are talking about digital equipment, we are talking about lining up access, providing a clear field of view, all the HUD elements. Please go into this.
Yeah. Well, what makes our products unique is things you cannot see from the outside except for being very small. First thing is easiness of operation. You just lift the flap, you open it up, and it starts all over itself. In less than 4 seconds, it's fully operational. That's the first thing. Then it is very easy to operate. So for the 3 main functions like brightness, or filter, or the digital zoom steps we have, you just hit these buttons, and you don't have to enter any menu. You don't have to fumble around with things which delay your action. So it's coming from the practical use. We put that with a team of innovative guys and girls and put together this user-level concept. So another thing we should mention is properties like the sub-pixel collimation. So if you're going to use that as an inline thermal, you can use our devices and their digital zoom, which is more or less unique, I guess, because we can shift the image in each zoom step, which is necessary to align it with the optical axis of your scope, for example. And we are also capable, and that is absolutely new and worldwide unique and property of all these devices you see here.
I'm all ears.
We can do the so-called sub-pixel collimation. So what does that mean? We can shift by half pixels, we double the precision, we increase range, we increase precision incredibly. So the TigIR comes with 1.1 centimeters on 100 meters distance. The Puma comes with 1.7 centimeters on 100 meters, and you can cut that by half by using the attachment lens. So these are values which are truly unique.
Right, guys. If you are interested into the world of thermal optics from a factory or a manufacturer right from Berlin with German precision in all the stages of technology there need to be in all the fields of application, feel free to give Andres Industry a try. For those viewers who are now interested in your product, where can they find you?
You can find us in the internet on www.andres-industries.de. With English versions of the website as well. You can download an English version of the catalog as well. Most of our employees you would deal with speak English. At least I try to, for example. And yeah, that's where we find us. And you can find us on the Enforce Tac and on the IWA in the next few days as well.
Awesome.
Of course, only with the civil products.
Marcel, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you for having us here.
If you happen to like this video, please feel free to give a like. If you have comments, please feel free to write them down and even subscribe to this channel. Marcel, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.